Hey everyone, welcome back to Know How. Today's video is going to be different, and honestly, it might be one of the most important videos you watch if you're serious about learning English. Because today, we're not just talking about vocabulary. We're not just talking about grammar. We're talking about the strategy behind learning English. And this is where most people fail. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like this? You understand English when you read. You understand when you listen. But when it's time to speak, you freeze. Your mind goes blank. Or you start translating in your head, and then you lose confidence. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. In fact, this is one of the most common problems English learners face. And here's the truth. It's not your fault. But it is your responsibility to fix it. Because the problem is not your ability. The problem is your method. So in this video, I'm going to give you a complete system, a clear step-by-step way to learn English that actually works. But before we start, I want you to do something important. Don't just watch this video passively. Engage with it. Repeat after me, pause when needed, practice actively. Because English is not something you learn by watching. It's something you learn by doing. All right, let's begin. Number 1, why you feel stuck. First, we need to understand why you feel stuck. Because if you don't understand the problem, you can't fix it. There are 3 main reasons. Number 1, overthinking. Number 2, fear. Number 3, wrong learning methods. Let's start with overthinking. Most learners believe English is difficult. They think there are too many rules, too many exceptions, too many words. So what do? They try to learn everything at once. Grammar rules, vocabulary lists, pronunciation techniques, writing skills, speaking practice. And what happens? They get overwhelmed. They lose clarity. They lose motivation. And eventually, they stop. Now listen carefully. This is important. You don't need to learn everything. You need to learn the right things. Let's move to the second problem. Fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of sounding wrong. Fear of being judged. So instead of speaking, you stay quiet. And that feels safe, but it's also the biggest mistake. Because if you don't speak, you don't improve. Now the third problem, wrong methods. Many people learn English like a school subject. They memorize rules, they solve exercises, they read textbooks, but they don't actually use the language. And that's why progress feels slow. Because language is not knowledge, it's a skill. And skills improve through practice, not just study. If you're still watching, that's good, because most people would have already clicked away. But you didn't, and that tells me something. You're serious about improving. So let's continue. Number 2, the right strategy. Now let's fix everything. I'm going to give you a simple strategy, something you can follow every day. Step 1, focus on input. Before you can speak well, you need to hear the language, a lot. Think about how children learn. They don't start by speaking, they start by listening. For months, sometimes years. So your first job is simple. Listen to English every day. But here's the key. Not difficult English, simple English. Content you can understand, at least 60%. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. I am learning English. Again. I am learning English. One more time. I am learning English every day. Good. That's how your brain learns patterns. Number 3, learn phrases. Now here's a big shift. Stop learning single words. Start learning phrases. Most learners memorize vocabulary like this. Eat and its meaning. go and its meaning, run and its meaning. But when it's time to speak, they struggle because words alone are not enough. You need structure. So instead, learn full sentences. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I feel tired. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I feel tired. I need rest. Now faster. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I feel tired. I need rest. See the difference? Now you're not just learning, you're speaking. Number 4, speak from day one. Now listen carefully. You don't need to be ready. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need confidence. You just need to start. Confidence comes from speaking, not waiting. Let's try something simple. Say this out loud. I am watching this video. Now say, I am learning something new. Now create your own sentence. Pause the video. Speak for 30 seconds. Do it. Good. That's how fluency begins. Number 5, daily system. Let's simplify everything. Here's your daily plan. 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes repeating, 5 minutes speaking. That's it. 15 minutes a day. Simple, but powerful. Now say this. I can improve. Again. I can improve. Number 6, think in English. Now let's go deeper. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. When you wake up, I need to wake up. When you eat, I am eating. When you walk, I am walking. Repeat after me. I am sitting. I am listening. I am learning. This is how fluency develops. Quick check. Are you repeating or just watching? If you're not repeating, you're missing the point. Go back. Practice. That's how you improve. Number 7, common mistakes. Mistake 1, waiting for confidence. Confidence comes from action. Mistake 2, trying to be perfect. Perfection slows you down. Mistake 3, inconsistency. 1 day practice, 3 days break. That doesn't work. Consistency works. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I go to work. I have lunch. I come back home. I relax. I go to bed. Now your turn. Speak your full routine. Pause the video. Speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Do it. Number 8, build confidence. Confidence is not something you wait for. It's something you build. Every time you speak, you improve. Every mistake teaches you something. Say this. I am improving every day. Again, I am improving every day. Number 9, environment. Your environment matters. If you surround yourself with English, you improve faster. Change your phone language. Watch English content. Listen daily. Even small exposure helps. What I suggest you is use imitation. Listen to a sentence. Pause. Repeat exactly. Copy tone. Copy speed. Copy pronunciation. This builds natural fluency. I have a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, practice every day. No excuses. Speak, listen, think. Even 10 minutes is enough. Let's summarize. Focus on input. Learn phrases. Speak daily. Think in English. Stay consistent. That's it. Nothing complicated. Just discipline. If you watched till here, you're serious. Now prove it. Start today. Not tomorrow. Today. Because fluency is not a dream. It's a habit. All right, that's it for today. Keep practicing. Keep improving. And remember, small steps every day lead to big results. See you in the next one.